you want to replace your old ceiling vents
For the new ones, they are sleek, modern, and minimal. I'm gonna share with you how we install them and the tricks that are gonna save you some time. So I'm just gonna use my Phillips bit on my screwdriver and back it out. Once your vent is removed, you wanna take your tape measure and get a measurement on the interior. That's really important because this vent is a 4x10. But what a lot of people don't know is it's that internal measurement that you need because the clearance here is 3 3/4 by 9 3/4. So that's the minimum size of your vent opening that you're going to need for this to fit. And you're just gonna pull it apart like this to open it up and slip it inside your opening. You wanna just push it up. There you go. Apply a little pressure there and it should sit flush with either your ceiling or your wall. As always, our Phillips screw and our Phillips bit. If finding this helpful and you like modern DIY projects, please hit the subscribe and the like button. So get it in a little tighter. Because this has to fit really snug, just keep an eye that you have everything covered and it's looking nice. The nice thing about these vent covers is there's actually 4 screws. In the older ones, they usually only had 2 screws, so you have more opportunity to get a good fit. Have any tiny gap in between your ceiling and your vent, you can always just run a bead of caulk and then wipe that off. So when it comes to painting, you just remove the vent, give it a little roll, paint the sides, so that is the same color as the ceiling or the same color as your wall. What I like to do next is take a cut-in brush and cut into your grate so that it blends in. It's gonna roll all over so it disappears with our existing ceiling paint. And I'm using a flat ceiling paint here. Once I finish painting around, I'm just gonna slip my vent cover back in. For more ways to update your home, you can check out this video right here, especially if you wanna brighten it up, and who doesn't want that? Thanks for watching, everybody.